Might be? Maybe? I don't expect this one, but I will. I literally used one gingerbread, bro. What the fuck? I mean, there's no way I'm getting on this one, right? There's no way. Like, I actually just got this point B right now. And I'm not expecting this to be gifted like the Vector B. Oh. I should probably stop. How about if I use 2 and then into gift? Oh, I know, it didn't work. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm fine with it. At least. Bro, what the fuck? Bro. Are you freaking serious? What? There's no way. There's no freaking way. There's no way. There's no way. There's just no way. I used 1 gingerbread. I got this Vector B gifted. There's just no absolute way. I'm ending this video. This is just an update. I am working on a geometry. I'll try to make it like have good balance. Just kidding, won't have good balance. Like first few seconds of the level already like typed mini street fly. I'm ending the video here. I got my Vector B gifted, I guess. Should have taken a screenshot of that shit. Oh yeah. I'm ending this video here. I don't expect, like, this is actually insane. Like, yeah. This got my actual. Oh! Yeah, anyways, bye bye.